root p plus root p equals p. Solve for p. Solve for p. Root p plus root p equals p. I am taking root p as common in LHS. Therefore, root p into 1 plus 1 equals p. That is root p into 2 equals p. I am dividing root p into 2 by 2 equals p by 2. Therefore, 2 and 2 cancels. Therefore, root p equals p by 2. Squaring both sides. Root p the whole squared equals p by 2 the whole squared. P by 2 the whole squared. That is root p square means root p into root p equals p. Radical sign vanishes here, and here in RHS p squared by 4. Then cross multiplying, here comes 4p equals p squared. P squared. That is, I am reversing it here. Therefore, interchanging LHS and RHS, p squared equals 4p p squared minus 4p equals 0. I am taking p as common. P into p minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, we can consider p into p minus 4 equals 0. Here there are two factors, p and p minus 4. When multiplied gives 0. At once we can consider p equals 0 or p minus 4 equals 0. Equals 0. That is, P equals 0 or P equals 4. Here we get two values for P. P equals 0 or P equals 4. And here there are two options. For that we have to check whether these are true or false. Check. Root P plus root P equals P. That is the given equation here. Therefore, we have to substitute first P equals 0. Root implies root 0 plus root 0 equals root 0 means 0. Root 0 means 0. 0 plus 0 gives 0, which is true. Here, P equals 4. Root 4 plus root 4 equals 4. Root 4 means square root of 4, 2, plus square root of 4, 2 equals 4, which is true. When we get the equation, we get two values, P equals 0 and P equals 4 here. And when we check P equals 0 here, we get the correct answer true. When P equals 4, we get the correct answer true. Therefore, there are the value of P is P is 0 or 4. Subscribe Diamond Solutions for Mathematics for easy and tough questions which are tricky and interesting.